Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, we will be cooking yummy, healthy, delicious yam fish stew. Yes, we will be cooking this yam fish stew. This is a typical Nigerian dish. We will be cooking this and this looks yummy and it actually tastes yummy. To cook the yam fish stew, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. I have the salmon. I will be using the salmon. I have the bell pepper, the real bell pepper. I have the yam. Actually, I've started cutting the yam before I remember to film this. So this is why I have this. Again, I started cutting the yam and I'm just like, let me film this and show you guys. I have the ginger. I have one medium-sized onion bulb, which I'll be using. The ginger is actually optional. And I will be showing you a couple of ingredients that I use to season this as we proceed into this video. Again, that is my yam. I already cut the yam, peeled the yam, then I cut it into chunks, little bit chunks, and this is ready to get cooked. So I have the yam cut, and I will be adding this into the pot. And this is the salmon. So I am doing both at the same time, trying to cook the salmon and trying to cook the yam. And these are the other ingredients that I'll be using the seasoning. I have the nut chicken, I have the curry powder, and I have the salmon in that pot. I added the seasoning already. Then here you go. I'm adding water into the salmon. So that is my pot filler, adding water into the salmon and getting it ready to cook. So I cooked this for less than 5 minutes, and this is what I did. Cook this, yeah. So let's get the salmon cooked. So now let's get the salmon cooked. And I have the yam already in the pot. I added salt. I added a little bit of sugar. And I'm cooking this. This is going to cook for a while. And here you go. This is the real bell pepper, the onion. I will be blending this while the yam and the salmon are cooking. Yeah, so I cut this into smaller chunks because I won't be using water. So I don't want it to blend too much. I decided to cut it into smaller chunks and I will be blending this. And that is ginger. I added ginger, no water at all. And I'll be blending. So this is it. You want to finely chop this so that there is no water. It's not watery because you want the stew to be very, very fried. So this is it. And here you go. The salmon is done. Yeah, the salmon is ready. The quantity of the sauce you will be preparing, the quantity depends on the quantity. The quantity of the sauce you'll be preparing depends on the quantity of people that will be eating this. So this is the yam. The yam is also ready. Yeah, sorry about that. The yam is ready. So I put the pot on the fire and I will be adding vegetable oil. And this is just me trying to fry the stew, the pepper. So I added a little bit of vegetable oil. The quantity that you will use depends on the quantity of what you want to make. And this is the onion. Again, the vegetable oil, the chopped pepper, the seasoning curry powder, nut chicken, salt for taste. I have bay leaf, I have thyme, I have rosemary, which I'll be using to garnish this. So I added the blended pepper into the stir-fried onions. And I'll allow this to cook for a while. So again, the goal is to have the stew fried. So you don't want to add water. So this is the rosemary washed and ready. This is the bay leaf. And here I have the thyme. And here I have the salmon. So the next thing I did was to add the rosemary because I want this to give it some taste and some smell and to make it smell good. So that is going on. And now I allowed that to boil for a while. Then I added the cooked salmon into this. And I will allow this to fry very well. So you want to do this on slow or medium heat. And you can see this is getting ready, almost done. We are not there yet. I want it to fry a little bit more. Yes. And finally, we have our fried stew, fish stew. Yeah, this actually looks very, very delicious, and it also tastes yummy. And here we go. The yam is ready. Let's serve. So the next thing we will be doing is to serve this. This is a local dish that they normally eat in typical Nigerian house. This is yam with fried pepper fish stew. And let me know in the comment section, will you be trying this? This actually is a balanced diet. You will get your protein, all the nutrients that you needed. You will get it cooking this. Try this recipe out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl Cecelia Ho. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you all. Will you try this? Let me know in the comment section. Bye for now. Thank you.